Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings here, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage here, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on WhatsApp. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this upload app option, and what this does is it resets the app, like clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in WhatsApp, and once it loads, what you need to do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.